Final seconds before disaster unfolds, every moment you're about to see was caught on camera. Typhoon Kraton strikes southwest Taiwan with strong winds and heavy rain. The powerful storm pushes debris through city streets as conditions rapidly worsen.
Look at that, she's spinning around.
I know.
During a weather update in Brazil, floodwaters suddenly sweep away the bridge behind the mayor. The collapse highlights the destructive force of rapidly rising water. In Rodanthe, North Carolina, powerful ocean waves destroy a coastal home. Witnesses watch as the structure collapses under repeated impacts from the surf. Cars slide downward as the street collapses beneath them.
ओ भाई साहब अरे 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 पलट गई
A sudden rock slide crashes into a supermarket parking lot in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Large rocks tumble down the hillside, shaking the ground but causing no injuries. In Pacifica, California, powerful waves crash over a coastal seawall. The surge sends water spraying onto onlookers gathered nearby. A building suddenly collapses onto a street in New Orleans. The entire incident is captured by a nearby dashcam in a matter of seconds. Near El Reno, Oklahoma, a crash caused by driver distraction unfolds on the roadway. The incident serves as a reminder that safe driving protects everyone on the road.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
In New Jersey, floodwaters sweep through a car dealership during severe flooding. Vehicles are carried away as the rising water overwhelms the area. Colossal waves crash into a military base in the Marshall Islands. The powerful surf demonstrates the immense force of the surrounding ocean.
Don't let your camera get wet. Oh my god, it's hitting our building. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow, it left the roof on.
Lava doesn't rush, it simply takes. The water starts moving, but it's not the water's fault.
Fabinha! Olha lá, a guria desesperada, querendo tirar o carro dela e ninguém deixando. Olha, todo mundo tirando seus carros. Ai, caiu. E não caiu no carro.
Wow!
Oh! Oh my god!
Just another drive, until it isn't.
16，快点跑！哎呀，口断了，
几块钱的？后头着了后头，
啥肉？
后头掉了个大石头。
The road looks normal, then it collapses like paper. One waterspout is rare. 4 is a warning. A rope fails during a dangerous moment captured on camera. Without support, the situation quickly turns hazardous. In the Canadian Rockies, climbers witness a massive avalanche racing down the mountain. Tons of snow collapse rapidly down the slope. A tractor trailer becomes stuck on railroad tracks in Locust Grove, Georgia. An approaching train strikes the vehicle moments later.
16，快点跑！哎呀，口断了。
During Tropical Storm Seth, powerful waves lift a large shipping container. The storm demonstrates the extreme force of ocean conditions. Ankole cattle are known for their enormous curved horns. The distinctive breed is often showcased for its unique appearance.
يا إمام يا إمام.
In Los Angeles, a car crashes into a utility pole, sending sparks flying. Fortunately, no injuries are reported. A speeding truck crashes into a gas station canopy, bringing the structure down. Despite the dramatic collapse, no one is injured.
What the? नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा नहीं आएगा भाई माता रानी ऐसा नहीं करो और आया भूली बात
A funnel cloud forms during severe weather conditions. The rotating winds lift debris and scatter it across the area.
atıyor lan, Fatih atıyor. Fatih atıyor, Fatih. Fatih, şimdi kepçe tutar mı kepçe?
In Stockton, California, a powerful hailstorm strikes during severe weather. Large hailstones fall rapidly across the city. Flooding forces emergency crews to rescue people from a hospital roof in Tennessee. Helicopters are used as rising water surrounds the building. In White Sulphur Springs, floodwaters sweep away a house that is already burning. The rare scene shows fire and flood occurring simultaneously.
Great job.
A truck driver ignores a posted clearance warning and collides with an overhead structure. The impact damages the vehicle and surrounding area.
रोड अभी ये जो दरार आई है और कुछ ही देर में ये रोड ये गो
A driver reversing near a charging station misjudges the distance. The mistake results in a minor crash. Two vehicles attempt dangerous overtakes on a narrow road. The risky maneuver nearly leads to a serious collision. In San Jose, a firefighting helicopter battles the Quimby fire. A large supermoon appears behind the aircraft during the operation. blue penguin returns to shore after swimming in the ocean in Australia. The small seabird regularly travels long distances in search of food.
आगे आगे दो ये आगे वाह ऊपर से भी आ गया ऊपर से भी आ गया आगे
ओ भाई पीछे ओ भाई
Methane gas rising from beneath the water ignites at the surface. The brief flames reveal how combustible gas can accumulate underwater. Lightning strikes near a sports field during a severe storm. The powerful bolt hits the ground within seconds. Lightning hits a nearby tree only feet away from a man. The strike sends debris flying through the air.
Itu dulu aja begitu. Sor.
In Texas, SpaceX's Starship 36 explodes during testing. The massive fireball marks a dramatic moment in rocket development.
Oh, 差点 GG！ 哎，不是吧？
In Manitoba, a tornado overturns a school bus during severe weather. The powerful winds lift and flip the vehicle.
Elektrik direğine çıktı, direğe patlattı.
A hillside suddenly collapses beside a nearby building. The falling debris destroys the structure below.
Моренно с камнями. Вот смотрите, то есть лава где-то под ней идет, раскалила все камни. Морено разрушается, то есть лава вот то ли под ней, то ли внутри где-то. Вот.
In Liaoning, China, a gas explosion damages surrounding buildings. The powerful blast sends debris into the air. A powerful gas explosion damages a building in Staffordshire. The blast causes major structural destruction. A massive avalanche races down a mountainside in the Alps. The fast-moving snow covers the slope below.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
In Paris, a major fire breaks out at the historic Notre Dame Cathedral. The blaze damages large sections of the centuries-old landmark. A giant sinkhole suddenly opens beneath two homes in Florida. The ground collapses and swallows the buildings. nature does not rush. It waits, builds, and responds. These moments are not punishments. They are reminders. The world does not belong to us. We only move through it.
खतरा भी ऊंचा हो सकता है और आयली ऊंचा हो ये पुल भी क्रैक हो गया पता है क्रैक हो गया क्रैक सारा क्रैक हो गया पुल किधर क्रैक हालाली इधर पुल तो दिखा से पुल बार बार
She ran to the other side.
That funnel isn't drifting, it's hunting. The air itself turns violent, and suddenly, standing upright feels optional.
Oh my God! Did you see that? That is huge! That is absolutely huge! Yes! Yes!
It builds in seconds. Blink, and it's already spinning.
Oh my God! Back up! Oh no! Stop!
Oh my God! Did you see that?
Bridges connect cities, until the water decides they don't. Near Fresno, California, a man narrowly avoids being struck by an out-of-control car. He escapes with only seconds to spare. Ventura, California, powerful waves surge over the seawall and rush into beach crowds. The sudden surge causes panic as water floods the shoreline. An earthquake shakes Thailand, causing rooftop pool water to spill over high-rise buildings. Large amounts of water cascade down the sides of the structures. The earth slides forward like it's alive, and the ocean swallows the rest.
Detayı.
Тракторист вовремя успел.
Ой, виявінчик подавався. Бо з оба брав нам куди.
They thought it was just a ferry ride. Storm Hercules turned it into a floating nightmare. For a second, the sky turns into a sci-fi movie, and everyone stops breathing. It's not snow. It's weeds swallowing entire houses. It moves like it owns the land, because in that moment, it does.
Farm right up here. No, please don't hit that farm. Holy.
Oh, two monsters!
That flash isn't outside. It's right in front of you. The sky flickers in impossible colors, and nature shows off.
Unbelievable.
Speak now or forever hold your... And the ground interrupts. Walls of flame, and they drive straight into it. The ocean builds a moving mountain, and they sail toward it. One carve too deep, and the whole mountain moves. Clinging to a cliff, while the cliff starts shaking. The ship rises, then drops like an elevator with no cables. It stops inches away. That's not luck. That's a miracle. Good thing they brought the big boat because the ocean just threw a surprise boss fight. Rogue waves don't RSVP, they just show up swinging. It rushes down like a white tsunami, and there's nowhere to run.
Oh my God.
This one rewrote the record books and the skyline. Wrong parking spot. Very wrong. He's reporting on the storm. The storm reports back.
Holy sh**.
Rear view mirror full of flames, and no guarantee ahead.
Holy mackerel, there goes that. Oh my God, look at that. Holy shit.
LA gets sunshine, not this.
Look at that town's getting hit. We're drive up, Ricky. Yeah, drive up there.
Holy sh**.
In 2010, Pakistan experienced the most intense monsoon rains in 80 years. The flooding destroyed at least 45 bridges and wiped out.
In 2010, Pakistan got an 80-year weather update, delivered all at once. 45 bridges and 15,000 buildings found out the hard way who really owns the land.
Holy. Oh my God.
In 2024, Peru's rain didn't flood the land. It tore it open. A 2-kilometer crack split through homes and streets like the earth changed its mind. The hail doesn't knock. It comes inside. You watch it approach and hope it keeps going.
We survived. Gee, made it. Come on, avalanche. Oh my God.
The mountain collapses in slow motion. But the damage isn't slow at all. Morning traffic turns into boating practice.
And they also got to experience what snow lightning is like.
Snow falling, lightning striking.
my God. Back up. Oh, no. Stop.
Oh, shit. Farm right up here. No, please don't hit that farm. Holy.
Ash meets electricity, and the sky ignites. The ground shifts violently, and nothing feels solid anymore. One second it's quiet. The next, the driveway turns into a blast zone. Seconds separate. That was close from headline news. It flows like water, but it buries like cement.
¡Guarda, guarda, 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 guarda! ¡Fuera, fuera, fuera, fuera! ¡Fuera!
They picked the wrong trail at the worst time.
Let's go. Let's get out of here.
Let's go. Go. Let's go.
A sudden Alaskan gust snaps the mooring lines. A floating city drifts. Thousands on board, nowhere to run.
Look, it's still pulling away.
That crack you hear, it's something ancient falling apart.